Affiliate programs that can pay me up to $5,000 or more per sale. Yes, guys, I am saying $5,000 or more per sale. Stay with me throughout this video to see which affiliate programs are my favorites for 2019. What's up, guys? Zeb here, and today we're going to be talking about my favorite high-paying affiliate programs for 2019. Yes, there are programs in here that can pay you $5,000 or more per sale, and these are all programs that I currently use to help make my income as an affiliate. All right, so before I get started, let me introduce myself. My name is Zeb Summers. I'm an online entrepreneur. I talk about make money online, internet, affiliate, digital marketing, and I'm here to help you through your journey to a laptop lifestyle. Now, guys, if you are interested in a passive income, one that can pay you a full-time income online, click my #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online, and I will send you some information. Let's get started with today's video because I don't want to waste any more of your time. All right. So as an affiliate, the first place I would start is Clickbank. All right. And the reason why I say Clickbank, it's free to get started. You don't have any buy-in. Of course, you'll still have to buy your email autoresponder, your sales funnel builder, something from GetResponse or Clickfunnels, something like that. Get out there, get them things, learn them, sell products through Clickbank, and learn affiliate marketing, and then you can get into the more high-ticket affiliate programs. That's what I did, and that's what majority of the people that actually make money online with affiliate marketing, that's where they have started. All right. So one of my favorites from Clickbank is Organifi. You can just come in here, search Organifi. It'll take you to this link here. And the reason why I say Organifi is because it's a great juice. All right. You can make like $200 a month reoccurring income. Okay. So guys, this is a very good, popular green juice. All right, you order 30 days at a time. It's reoccurring, so it can create you a passive income day in, day out. All right, so Organifi is awesome. I've used it. I use it today, and it is a great product. All right, so that's how I got into Organifi. I clicked an ad probably on Facebook or something. I purchased it, and then I noticed it was actually through Clickbank. So that's one of the ones I actually promote through Clickbank. That is one that I would highly recommend you go after just because it's so simple and easy to sell. All right. It sells itself. All right. The next one is Clickfunnels. And the reason why I say Clickfunnels has a boot camp that you can promote. Clickfunnels also has a free 14-day trial. All right. So when you go into Clickfunnels, you click your 14-day free trial. All right. The person will get signed up. If they promote it, if they want to use it, they get $97 a month, and that's reoccurring income in your pocket. Okay. Now that's the low tier of Clickfunnels. There's also a higher tier, which also has like the autoresponder and stuff, and that's like $297. But guys, you'll have an reoccurring commission on that day in, day out. And it also has a free affiliate bootcamp, 100 days. It teaches you, it has a 100 days, step one, day one, task for you to do. And if you follow this to the T, guys, you will be making money at the end of this 100 days that you will be shocked on how much you will make. I ran through this bootcamp when it first came out a couple years back, and it was a game changer for me. All right, so Clickfunnels is a great program. You're not going to find anything that can really compete with it out there. There's a lot of people out there using other programs, but when it comes down to it, Clickfunnels, I've used many others. It's still my favorite. All right. That is a great place to start as an affiliate. You can come in here, sign up as an affiliate, and not even own their products. And that's even better. But if you own their products, guys, they are stellar. They're good. And you'll be making money off of it. So you make a couple sales, it pays for your product anyways. The next product is Legendary Marketer. Legendary Marketer is my high ticket affiliate program, and that's the one I use to make the most money. Now, guys, I didn't get into high ticket affiliate marketing until beginning of 2018. I started started in Legendary, and that was the big game changer for me. That's when I started making the most money, waking up with $1,000 sales in my bank every single day. And guys, it can be done. Look it up, check it out. Click the link down below. My #1 recommendation to make a full-time income online. It'll take you through some of this information. You can get signed up for practically free. There's a $30 a month program which will teach you how to actually promote the system. And guys, if you're interested in high ticket stuff, if you're interested in making $5,000 or more per sale, this is one that is highly recommended. And David Sharp is no bullshit. He's got products, he can get speakers, he gets talent in there to do the training. So he's got products coming out all the time, new things month after month. It's a great product. All right. And that's your high ticket affiliate program. So you can make anywhere from $15 off a sale. I think you can make as little as $2 off a sale, all the way up to more than $5,000 off of one sale. Just imagine getting $5,000 in your bank account for one sale. Yes, guys, that's possible, and it's almost as easy as getting a $20 sale off of Clickbank. Once you figure out how to do this, and that's the cool part about Legendary, they teach you how to do this. So if you actually do the 100-day boot camp through Clickfunnels, and then actually go to Legendary and do their marketing club, guys, you'll be making a full-time income in 6 months, hands down, as long as you're serious, ready to put in some work and make some money. All right. But this stuff is not a get rich quick scheme. You have to work, you have to learn, you have to spend a little bit of money on advertising and tools. But if you're willing to do that stuff, you'll be able to stay home, make money from the internet, and live your life. All right. High ticket affiliate program, Legendary Market, is still my favorite. Here's some resources. If you go to my website, zebsummers.com/resources, I have Legendary Super Affiliate System. That's a great one. Clickfunnels, probably still my favorite. Badass Copy Masterclass. This is a great copywriting masterclass. It's a class that teaches how to do copywriting, which is something you want to learn once you start getting into internet marketing, because email is very important, and it's very important to learn how to create funnels, because you're going to be paying for traffic to send to your funnels. It makes a difference if you know what you're writing. Bluehost, I am 100% in on Bluehost. It's a great product. It's a great way to make a little bit of affiliate commissions. Books, Legendary Marketer book. Of course, my free book. You can get that down in the description or at this link. GetResponse is my favorite autoresponder. I've tried all of them, and GetResponse is my favorite. And that's why I promote GetResponse. Like I said, I tried them all. I had a couple up to just recently, and I've moved everything over to GetResponse. Udemy is a great place to get solo ads for paid traffic to send to links for things like your Organifi or for other products. Mostly biz opportunities through Clickbank. Great place to promote is Udemy solo ads. TubeBuddy, I use that for my analytics with YouTube. And of course, Russell Bronson's Perfect Webinar course. This is a great course through ClickFunnels. And guys, it is a great product if you want to get into selling with webinars. All right, the .com Secrets book is still probably one of my favorites, hands down. Tons of value. You can get a free copy. All you have to do is pay shipping. Just click on this free book. It'll take you through a process. Pay shipping. You'll get the book, and it is probably one of the best books I've read thus far about internet marketing. All right, guys. Hopefully this was useful to you and not too wordy or bouncing all over the place. I have been taking a break. I moved. It threw me off. So I'm back. I'm putting out videos, and I'm going to try to do more value add videos than money making videos. Okay, peace out, guys. Hope you have a great day. And again, if you want my #1 recommendation for a full-time income online, click that link. Peace out. Catch you again tomorrow.